This was a long time coming. Black Fashion Fair's inaugural publication, Seen, Volume 0 by Black Fashion Fair with the support of Warby Parker. There's so much to the story of how this publication came to exist. And really, it's an amazing story when you think about the limited time that there was available to even create this publication, especially looking back at just looking at the way that it has been received and all of the acclaim that is already garnered in such a short amount of time. It's literally, it's been a few months in the making, 2.5-ish months, starting mid-December and then going to print in mid-January or end of January. It's literally just a few really short key weeks to put this together. And it's just been a tremendous symbol of community and people coming together for the greater good of creating something that will truly stand the test of time. So no further ado, this is my gifted version from Black Fashion Fair / Warby Parker as a contributor. And I'm just eternally grateful and thankful to have participated in creating this with everybody. It's just been amazing. First and foremost, this beautiful print from the sculpted laminate series, advertorial styled by Antoine Gregory of Black Fashion Fair, shot by ABDM. These photos are just breathtaking. I love them. It's really elevating the Warby Parker brand and showing what Black Fashion Fair does in the truest sense, which is creating something and leveraging the power of Black creatives throughout the entire team in order to create something that is just on par with what you would expect from leading fashion houses. So this is just amazing. So get this little fine art print. And let me, you know what? I'll even take it out the wrap. Let's see what it's looking like. Let's see what the paper stock is like. Okay, this is nice. I like this, a little matte finish. The printing is just stellar. It really helps highlight the beauty of the photography. Love this. And nicely secured in bubble wrap. Who don't love popping these? Is the zine itself in this beautiful acrylic case with Black Fashion Fair etched in there, hovering over the actual logo on the zine itself. Excuse any fingerprints you see. This is my first time handling this though. Look at that. 150 out of a version of 175 for this special case. Shout out to G Erbo, 150 Rock Block. And just the weight of this case is so symbolic to the weight of this issue itself and what this means. Even talking to Antoine about this, I asked him, what has happened in the world of fashion that has shaken shit up the way this zine has? I can't think of any recent moments aside from the tragic, untimely passings of, Virgil Abloh, Andre Leon Talley, Mugler. We've lost people. That's what that's what the big news that has been sort of taking place in the fashion world. But this is a ray of light. And even just with that yellow translucent, that citrine translucent case, it's just ever so symbolic. This is really cool how it opens up here on the top. Get out, get out, get out. Let me place this down gently so we can unearth the actual publication. Featuring the iconic Joan Smalls in a Theophilio red leather dress. Just, come on. This is oozing of luxury. Black Fashion Fair, Spring Summer 2022. Joan Smalls and Theophilio, documented by Quill Lemons. We've got that photo again here on the back. Beautiful. My hands are a little moist. I don't know what's going on. My hands are not normally moist, but I'm just so excited to have this in my hands right now. With this beautiful matte finish on the cover. Should we do a flip through? Should we do a flip through? Let me know in the comments. Should we do a flip through? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Let's get to the rest of this packaging now. You've got a pair of, it would not be complete. This would not be a true package from Warby Parker without a pair of glasses in here. So let's see what I'll go on in here. Little Warby Parker box. Case. Bang. From the Sculpted series. Which model is this? Which model is this? The Jordy model from the Sculpted series. I love that. It's like, I believe this is the laminate technology, or adhesive rather, that helps this sort of, it's sort of two separate pieces that are fused or laminated, if you will. Beautiful, beautiful. Styling and profiling. Styling and profiling. We'll see what they look like on. But wait, there's more. Black Fashion Fair, Warby Parker. Scene. Come on, we cleaning off our glasses with style and grace. We love to see it. And it's nice to be seen. It is nice to be seen. All right, are we doing a flip through? This is exclusive content here. I don't know if we could do a flip through. Hold on, let me see. Let me see what we can do. Let me see what we can do. That is, come on. Come on. Next level. 150 of 600 total. Did you get one? Were you lucky enough to get one? Because the release was bananas. All copies are sold out in hours. The release at Iconic Magazine was truly amazing. People were lined up, traveling there far and wide to get their hands on a copy. Let's look at the masthead. Hold up. What's that? What's that say right there? Is that your boy right there? Content Strategy and Operations Director. Is that me? Yes, it's me. Look at the name. It's me. Again, so grateful and thankful that I was able to be, to play a role in creating this. This thing is, it's iconic. It's iconic. It's history. It's Black history in real time. Fashion history in real time. Come on, I can't give you everything. We're going to do a quick breeze through. We're gonna do a quick breeze through. Let me know if y'all want to do a full walkthrough. Let's see one of my favorite photos. Hold up. I love all of these photos, so picking a handful is difficult. I love them all. Do we do it? Do we look at it right now? Come on. Do we do it? I don't know if we should. We might be breaking rules. We might be breaking rules, but oh, come on. Are you fucking kidding me? Come on. Who's doing this? Who is doing this? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Who's doing it? That ain't even what I... Oh, come on. Come on. Who's doing this? Who's doing this? I'm sick right now. I'm sick. Who's doing this? I'm sorry. Rest in peace, Virgil. Forever. Who's doing this? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if y'all... Maybe we could do a detailed walkthrough at some point. I don't know. No promises. But, again, this is Black fashion history in real time. Get with it. Get lost. Get with the program. Rumor has it, Volume 1 is in the works. Who knows? Shout out to everybody that was contacted to be a part of this version. And we're busy, didn't have the time. They're working on other things. Right. I mean, sorry we couldn't have you. I hope you don't have FOMO too badly right now, but this is it. See y'all next time.